Hello everybody. Today we're canning cabbage. We've got one jar filled already. I'm going to show you how we're doing it. These are cabbages from our garden that Harry just harvested today and yesterday recently. And what I'm doing is I'm filling them up as much as I can, stuffing them in. Looks like we'll probably get 3 jars with what's left. We've already got 4 that are done. And I'll show you them as soon as we can get them out of the cooker. You pack them tightly. And then you add some water. We put salt in, and in this batch, I'm going to also add some hot pepper flakes. So we have a variety of different flavors. So, well, sometimes you have to cook them up a little bit more. Get them inside. Other than that, I'll show you when we get those others out. So, we'll see you next time.
Glass out of my ass. Okay, sorry. Shh.
Ready? Okay, the cabbage that I had canned before is done. I took the pressure cooker off. Always make sure before you take the lid off that it drops all the way to 0. And then take the lid off. And hopefully you have one of these. See, there it is. Bring it over to the table.
Beautiful. Look at that.
And I set them on towels and leave enough airspace between them so it can, you don't want to put them right next to each other. Got 2 more jars to do. And then these will sit over there and cool.
These half gallons are great for when you got more than 2 or 3 people to feed too.
Now what I also did is I added 2 teaspoons, because these are half gallons of salt. On the next batch I'm going to add, I've got the salt in there, and I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes.
Red pepper flakes.
And then we'll get those started, and it has to cook for 10 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. Just leave them here to cool down. And
did we show your
pepper, the
meatball end product?
This is one of the meatball end products. I had 5, and it filled all the way to the top.
And they shrink down and create more juice like
all
that.
that juice. No water in there, just the meatballs, and that's what happened.
90 minutes on the pressure cooker.
And we did some
in pints.
Some pints.
For Sherilyn, she's going to go to college this fall.
So they're a little greasy on the outside, which is no big deal. Just wipe it off and they'll be fine. And there's 2 per pint. That's how big the meatballs were. Depending on the size of your scooper you use. We used a 3 ounce. Oh, excuse me, 3 1/4 ounce.
For the sticklers.
So,
sure.
It's all yours. And we only had 1 that didn't seal, so we'll be eating that later today or tomorrow. But that's it for now. More later.